Stop staring at a black screen while your game is on. I'm going to show you 3 instant fixes for the ESPN Plus app on Roku. This issue is usually just a software handshake failure. Here is how to resolve it in under 2 minutes. Method 1 is the secret cache clear. This forces your Roku to purge corrupted temporary files. On your home screen, press home 5 times, up once, rewind twice, and then fast forward twice. The screen will freeze for a few seconds and then reboot. Once it's back, your cache is cleared and ready to go. If that didn't work, we need a specific reinstallation cycle. Don't just delete the app, follow this sequence. Highlight the ESPN app, press the start button on your remote, and select Remove Channel. Crucially, you must restart your system before adding it back. Go to Settings, System, and select System Restart. After the reboot, head to the channel store, search for ESPN, and reinstall. This ensures a completely fresh start. Our third method involves forced firmware and app updates to fix version mismatches. Navigate to Settings, then System, and System Update. Even if it says up to date, select Check Now. Do the same for the app itself by pressing the star button on the ESPN tile and selecting Check for Updates. As a bonus tip, if you see the black screen during playback, try turning off Auto Adjust Display Refresh Rate in your advanced display settings. One of these 3 steps will almost always get you back to the game instantly. Check your cable connections as a final backup. For more fast-paced, high-value tech fixes, subscribe to System Sleek Guides. I'm Roberto, and I'll see you in the next one.